Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce study sessions with Khan Academy, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Khan Academy website or app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Select the subject area you want to focus on. Choose a specific course or topic within that subject. Take a moment to review the content structure provided. Identify the skill or concept you wish to learn. Click on that specific skill to access the resources. Review the instructional videos available for that skill. Watch the video to understand the concept thoroughly. Take notes on key points as you watch. After the video, navigate to the practice exercises. Start with the easier questions to gauge your understanding. Gradually progress to more challenging questions. If you get a question wrong, review the hint or explanation provided. Try the incorrect question again after reviewing. Track your progress on the dashboard to see your improvement. Set personal goals for each study session. Use the mastery feature to focus on skills that need reinforcement. Limit your study sessions to a set time, such as 30 minutes. Take short breaks between study sessions to maintain focus. Regularly revisit previous topics to reinforce your learning. As you become proficient, tackle additional skills to expand your knowledge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.